Imagine Jane, a savvy shopper who loves a good deal. She finds herself in an electronics store, drawn to the aisle marked bargains. She thinks, why spend a fortune when these cameras are so cheap? But Jane quickly learns that with a low price often comes low quality. Her bargain cameras provide grainy images and unreliable connections, leaving her home exposed to potential threats. Now let's meet Tom. He's a daytime kind of guy, convinced that he doesn't need night vision for his security cameras. Nothing happens after dark, he says, but when a shadowy figure slips past his cameras in the night, Tom realizes his error. Night vision is crucial for round-the-clock security. Next are the Johnsons, a family excited about their new, seemingly cost-effective security system. "What a steal!" Mr. Johnson exclaims, but he fails to consider the hidden costs. Monthly fees start to pile up, turning their bargain into a significant expense. Then there's Emily. She's a private person, but she doesn't give much thought to the privacy features of her new camera. It's just a camera. What's the worst that could happen? She wonders. But when her feed becomes a window for the world, she learns the importance of encryption the hard way. Finally, we have tech enthusiast Mike. He's always eager to have the latest gadgets, but his state-of-the-art security system is so complex, he struggles to operate it. His advanced fortress becomes a source of frustration rather than safety. Scene script. Through these characters, we see the pitfalls of falling for bargains, overlooking night vision, ignoring hidden costs, neglecting privacy, and getting trapped in complex technology. Each of them learned the hard way that when it comes to home security, clarity is key. So, take a moment to evaluate your home security decisions. Avoid these common missteps. Remember, the lens through which you view your security shapes your world. Make the right choices and keep your home safe.